pleasantries. I know it's dark. It's early. Let me get up in the sun. Sun's coming up. As you can see behind me, it's early. Sunday morning. I got the coffee right here. If you can see that too. I don't know if you can get that, but yeah, I got the coffee. I got the Keurig. You already know. But today we're gonna change this soft top. I'm trying to get it all on video for you. This soft top was really in need. It's like ripping, kind of like messing up the whole convertible of it. You know. Oh, don't mind me. I ain't drinking my coffee yet, so I'm still a little. But anyways, we already got the new soft top, so we're gonna hook that up for you. When the sun come up, hopefully you got better camera view for you. But I'm about to sneeze live on YouTube. Period. Ooh, shit. Seeing how to look like a little mini dab. Anyways, alright, y'all, I'm out. Just prepping it up. As you can see, all these screws are loose. You see, this one I can even turn by hand. So we got that one. Remember those two right back there. And turn those by hand. So I got them all to where I can turn by hand at least. So that's what's going on. On that side, same thing on this side. Oh, hey, you ready for coming in? You can fit in, or you coming here, or no? I maybe want to come back. I'm gonna go move stuff. Oh, you're good. I thought I had to move some stuff. Alright, back to the program. Thought he was coming here because usually they mow the lawn. They ride right up in there and mow the lawn. But he said he coming back, so we gotta go off that. But anyways, boom. Like I was saying, that if I didn't get too sidetracked, just those screws in there. Those screws in there. Now, what I'm waiting for as well is the cavalry, because it's gonna take a few people to lift this up. We're gonna lift this up, and we did run into a problem though. Let me sorry guys. Yeah, we did run into a problem though. The problem that we ran into was right here, the back window. This back window is stuck for some reason. All the other windows seem to roll down, but that one seems to be stuck. So we're not gonna let that stop us, as we are going to change the soft top to a more because that was like taking away from the value of the car, because we're gonna do a restoration. So the man, this soft top, I want to show a little bit of it, so a little bit of the extent of the damage. Now you see, yeah. Now you can't be riding around on Mercedes with a top like that. So I mean, I knew it was a restoration piece as I was riding it, but other people probably looking like, damn. But yeah. So as you can see, it's a soft top, and out here in Florida, everybody is rocking a soft top. But right now, it's really damaged, really damaged. I should have took mad pictures of it while it was damaged, but I didn't want to. And then the new one, it's under wraps, but I'm gonna show that too, maybe in the next video. So maybe I'll do that in this video real quick. Alright, let me just shut this door real quick and walk up these stairs and show people what we really got going on with the Alright, so what we're going to attempt to do, gang, people, we're going to change the top from that raggedy soft top to this more elegant, more plush. It's a Benz, so you need a better top. So this is the top we have. Oh, this is just a crochet. This was just in my car, so I just laid it out over it. But this is the top. We're gonna get the brothers We're gonna lift it, and we're gonna try to put it back. I keep saying try, but I'm going to say we're going to do. So this isn't the edited version. So in the edited version, you guys might, you guys will see. You guys won't hear all this effery right now. But right now, this is the YouTube version. So boom, there you go, new top, ready to go, ready to go. Hydraulic cables, because it works by hydraulics. So that's one thing about be careful about doing this type thing, because it works with hydraulics, and you want it to, yeah. I mean, I seen a dude on YouTube who said he was making his car a convertible. I'm not gonna put the link down there, but he said he was trying to change his Toyota, whatever, Corolla to a convertible, or whatever it was, some kind of car that don't need to be convertible with a convertible. And he just straight took a sawzall to it, like he just sawed it, like no, anyone can. Like he didn't even care, bro. Like he was crazy. He cracked the window on one. I mean, if y'all saw that one, y'all know he cracked the window on that one. But we not trying to do no bootleg shit on this one. We trying to get it back, and then let me show you inside. I'm gonna get under that. We're gonna make videos on the hydraulics. We're gonna make sure you know, see the SLK is a hard top. It's hard. The top is hard. Let me get over there real quick. SLK it's the hard top. But the CLK, we got it with the soft top, which we're about to change because it's raggedy. But, alright, that's enough, guys. Boom. So all you need is basic tools, ratchet, whatever you feel like you use, and then, what else? To pop these I use a crowbar, but you don't, because it's a restoration, so we know that we're getting it better inside, so I kind of unscrewed it, and then I forced it with the crowbar. But if you want to get a crowbar too, because I come from, if you watch some other videos, you know that I do these tools, like, you know what I'm saying, I did the house restoration as well as the car, right? So it was like, yeah, I could have easily, see that pin right there? Yeah, I could easily just, there's ways to get it. But, when you got a crowbar and you come from that life, so let me stop. But look, this is the ratchet I use right there. And what were those on there so people can see? Those were 916, people. So if you got a ratchet at home and you about to change your top, I would say you get a 916 right here. Here it is. You can see it. I don't know how good the video is picking up, because it's all been filmed on tablet, just to let y'all know, man. So don't blame me for the shoddy video footage. But alright, I'm out. One. So now we make sure you keep all the wires intact, because now you got to transfer the wires onto the new one. This old one's out. Alright, we're going to get the new one. Make sure that you got both actuators out. What I usually do is put one on this side so I can remember that I got it off of this side. Make sure you got all these connections. These are all part of the connections. Your 2 bolts, sensor, you need all that. To the other actuator, and then you're ready to go. Alright. Make sure you remove all zip ties, pull the wires through. Make sure you disconnect the hydraulic wires the correct way, because you got to put them back in the correct way.
can't go forward and nothing? At my house, right now the stroke's doing a move, so he laid on his feet. Do we just get the part? Yeah, yeah, I'll meet up. As soon as I'm done, I'll meet up with the guy. Let's go. Alright. Oh, wait, move out the way, Aiden. Aiden, go sit down.
Oh no. You know, wheels with it.
Get closer to you so I can do it.
No, wheels with it.
Wait, I just got something.
Oh, still stuck. Why?
You're on the sidewalk sitting. That's how you should be. Stay like that. Alright. Good. Still. Yeah, you just look and see what it is. Yeah, Mac, that's what it is.
Stroke.
I don't know what that is. Come look and see what that wire is.
Probably the same kind of wire you have just for me, right?
Oh.
You had the plug, it's plugged in, right?
No, it's like, what is it? Is it going on now? Yeah, what is that? How is it connected?
Is it that brown one? You got a black cover on it?
Yeah.
That's probably going to be physically connected. Yeah, it's brown. I can see it.
How long is this thing on? Okay. You need to open it. Cut it.
Yeah, it's the wire. So if it's too short, it's too long. Yeah, but back 40 on it.
Either still sit. Either still sit. Alright. Going this way, man. Mac, back 10 low. Pull Mac. Go, got it? Alright, low. Yep, don't worry about the back right there. Set it, set it.
Oh my god.
I just worried about Mac over there. You hurt your back.
Oh. Oh, it's up there. It's on there.
Dad, how you do that? Oh, that's so cool.
This one's a heavy because that glass.
Oh, it's still connected, that's why.
What?
How you guys did that?
Okay, they wasn't connected, they were just wrapped around it. Alright, you still can go now. It was wrapped around.
Just bring it in straight out and set it down on the ground.
My.
Hey, move it. Put your end straight down on the ground.
Oh my God.
Because you got to transfer the stuff over now to the other one. You got the actuator. Bring the other one down here and transfer one to the other. Then transfer that to the other.
It was still recording, so I gotta take out some of that and edit this one.
Daddy, wait.
Move. No, stay out of the way.
Oh.
Wait a second. How are we gonna?
Out of the.
Do you put all the stuff in now, or do you put it in the E-clips are on. Almost ready for the last part. Now,
Wait a minute. Just something for this brown wire. Because that brown wire got to go all the way down there. Yeah, any pieces of wire? So we can connect this?
what kind of wire?
Don't matter.
That's what I'm saying. I don't have no wire.
You got anything wrong?
I had wire. Used to. Is that a ground wire?
It's good. Got this, man.
Long enough?
Yeah. Sorry about that. Here, razor tape. There's your razor tape.
Get in the trunk.
Oh, yeah. It just clips on it.
I see where it connects though. Right here, right?
Probably. Yeah, it clips. So we'll just look for. It's gonna fit on one of them bars on the side.
What bars like these?
Yeah, whichever one wide enough. Yeah. That one wide enough. So you just see exactly. It's gonna be a little hole for it.
You had to use one, man?
Yeah. Kinda, sorta. I never used it, but I never. Just said I know you just turned.
But I want to start setting stuff to the proper torque. What, does it automatically stop when it gets there already? Or
Yeah.
how does it know?
You hear it by clicking. It's gonna give you a distinctive click.
And then you know to stop.
Yeah. When you get that, yeah. Once you set your torque and you use like a regular ratchet, you go whatever that sound is, you'll know it.
You start.
Yeah.
I want to go back to that small one.
You found it?
I saw when we took it off, but I just can't remember where it was at.
It's inside of one of those.
Not on this one, then. Well, it gotta be, because that's where you plug it in.
Yeah. Just look for a little kind of hole that thing sits in. I don't think it was on the outside.
No, it was on the inside.
Inside, further up though.
I remember this little rocker thing.
Oh, it's a
So yeah, so it's somewhere where when it turned, when it moved, it had to click this. So it probably went here. Yeah, go here.
Oh,
Go here, I'm already. Turn. Come on, guys.
Can't find where to put the hole.
Okay, yeah, because it clamps on the side, so yeah, bro. I think that's it right here. See the hole right here?
Oh, yeah.
Just pushes down. Oh, that goes in there. This, because this one on, this one's there too. Yeah, I think that went on last.
After it was already up?
Huh?
No, you said last, what you meant after it was already up. Alright, so boom.
Yeah, so yeah, get in the hole. See that nub? Get into the hole.
Oh, this
You
one
gotta move stuff
yours,
out.
bro.
Stuff is in your way.
I seen that shit on Facebook.
What up? Yep, Ron? Yeah. What he said now. He's not connecting.
Oh, it might be inside.
Oh, here you go, there you go.
Got it?
Do they go together? Oh, okay, they're the same piece.
Yeah, maybe inside. Oh, no, I was stuff on. You can look at it now. Changing stuff to look easier, but then I was waiting.
Like right now,
I had to
over
change.
is from
I
where
had
she
to
was
change
walking.
gas, so I changed light. Yeah, so I changed a bunch of stuff on the side. With the light out the way, it was loud enough. I just didn't put it back in there. I was trying to help you.
Everybody got their drop top.
So we can still set up and do the wires later, though, right?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, 'cause that's how I want to do. I want y'all to.
I'll be back. I gotta go.
Yep.
Almost done with the yard.
As long as I'm
Oh,
ready.
you got it? You got it, Stro?
Yeah, but it was yeah, on the side, yeah.
Okay. So that was the spot.
But that yellow one seemed to be the same one.
Who got tape?
You got some handy? If not, I gotta go again.
Okay, yeah. Handy?
Even though it's blue, it still go with the car because the car's silver.
Yeah, it's silver. Yeah.
Yeah.
Brown, silver, and blue.
That's right, we get the wash. Now, the only thing I gotta do is get this fixed. Oh, I can see it. Oh, I ain't even thinking about pulling it up there right there. Oh yeah, I just gotta get that to clamp this.
Oh, that's right. You had trouble
Yeah.
with that.
I never thought to pull it up like this to work on it. Yeah, 'cause it seems like it's stuck in the lock position.
What's that?
That's the old fog light
okay,
thing.
so
But
you
yeah,
don't-
still want it though, 'cause it's bent. But
Oh, did you get the piece you needed for the fog light? Was it there?
what you mean?
Did you say you needed a bracket or something?
No, I got the bracket already, but I just don't want those fog lights no more. I want the circle one.
Oh, you can't get the circle ones because you don't have to.
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm saying. Alright, which side I'm on? Whichever side you want me on. The window.
Yeah, watch out for that window. It might be easy to set it in close like this, but I'm gonna take it out.
Yeah, pick it up. Set one in here, and then walk it over.
Or do you want to get in like that you was in before? Or you want to get back in?
Or you get in real fast and you walk it through the window and somebody walking over here. Grab it from the other side.
Alright.
You gotta set there. You gotta put all the wires aside too. All the wires going in.
I'll grab this and swing it out that way. You gotta do that.
careful that window string. Hold on, hang up my body. Yeah, we told you. Yeah, everything bottom up here. Just do it straight from the bottom. Yeah. Walk it on it. Yeah.
That's where, the way you gotta go.
Don't
And then
sit
just
in
rest
here.
it on the back, rest it on the back edge of the seat.
Yeah, just rest
and
it
I'll
on
walk over and I'll come
Hold on,
grab
rest it first because we got to chalk. I forgot we ain't chalked these screws down. That's right. Yeah, just rest it. Not gonna move?
Yeah, it's not gonna
So it's not sure.
What do you mean?
Hold
Oh, okay. I can't get it. I can hold it with my hand. I mean, I can see you.
No, I need this one.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I can hold the inside with my hand.
Yeah. That's what you're gonna line up.
What?
You gotta line up over there.
Lift your hand up. Because they'll say that.
This side?
You want to go back.
Oh, this one's back.
Yeah, check it.
This hole right here?
Well, they're not gonna meet though, right?
Oh, that's what you're talking about. The first three, yeah. That shit down there.
You lifted up right to the place, right?
Yeah.
No, so you got to the bottom.
No, that was it.
Oh, it was right. You would rather home.
We took it back.
Yeah, you took it back. You went to Jamesburg, right?
Wherever that
little sale was.
Yeah, wherever that was.
It was like
in front of
computer
convention,
sale.
yeah. He sleep. We gotta go down. When we go in, we gotta go down. Gotta bring it back.
Keep going back.
It's gotta come up some. Like,
Go higher.
Good, but no, me, I'm thinking outside of the window. Yeah. I gotta put mine in first.
you gotta get the back more.
Alright. Wait. Alright, window. Oh, shit. My window. Back, gotta go way up. Alright.
Hold on, wait. Stuck on this. Sorry. Back to the middle, so you don't have to wait.
Alright, yeah. Now I'm in now.
Hold on, wait. Come on. Hold on. I got it. But it don't. My fingers are good. I got it. You gotta move it double. You gotta start sitting so I can.
Wait. The wires on.
Alright.
Alright, I'm good.
Get the wires. Now we're gonna start labeling it back.
Yeah, lay it back. Wires.
Got it?
Yeah, alright, thank you. Whoever did that. Alright. Go back to it.
Window. That's the window.
Yeah, alright.
That's it.
Alright, yeah. Now we gotta go back.
Ready?
Yeah, we go back. I can be good.
Go ahead. Start putting it back.
Oh, wait a minute.
We're stuck.
Wait a minute. The actuator is not in.
It's not in. It came out.
No, I'm saying it's hitting the thing. It's not in the.
Oh, we gotta extend it out to be like.
Yeah. So we got to.
Alright, Mac.
Now come back. Wait.
My actuator ain't in.
Now come. Now you start dropping it back then.
Okay. Now we clear.
Yeah.
Okay. Two windows.
Now you start dropping it back.
There we go.
Yeah.
We good.
Okay, yeah, it's a mess. They didn't get full all the way down. Alright, so I can start going down.
Hold on.
Yeah.
No.
opening it, and change the way it's
Ready?
Hold on. Slow. Hold on.
Yeah, mine's flush on it right now.
Okay. Go ahead. Come on. There we go. Mine's flush. Where's the bolts at?
Mine's
For the
flush.
top.
Mine just need bolts.
Okay. Where the top ones at? What they look like? Is it this? They like this?
Yes. All of them look like that, so that should be some.
No, open that door, let me out.
Alright. These screws right here. These. Hey B, you came at the right time.
Yeah, you get it done, huh?
Yeah, it was.
That's the brown.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, still got
we
space.
probably still got space.
Yeah, you still got space.
And this one might just gotta push a little bit just to get it flush, to get it so you can put the hole. Oh, nice.
Here's the one from the back, too.
Oh, my bad, man. We on this side. Pull them out. I don't know what I did with them. One.
There's one right there.
Going right where?
One on that side.
Okay. Like this,
You know what size you got?
Max. Yeah, two of them. Two, right? Yeah.
Yeah, there's one more.
Yeah, these one right, two right there. Yeah, two right here. Then I thought this one was the next one. Oh man, I got double. Where's the other one? Oh yeah, the little ball thing with the RCL. Okay.
It's just a safety thing.
Yeah.
Check before grab it.
We gotta get it. Yeah, I remember we gotta get it.
Lift it up just a little bit. Lift it up. Lift it up. Lift it up.
Okay, yeah, no doubt, yeah.
Good?
Oh, we got the motor on it.
Yeah, and we just
why we didn't think about it.
Huh?
We always think about it. I don't know why we didn't think about it as soon as we saw it.
The motor for the back.
Oh, okay.
That's why I ain't gonna put it all the way on for this side. Oh, Mac, yeah. I couldn't even. Huh?
Yeah.
Let this front come all the way down.
Wait, what?
The front. Let the front come all the way down.
I got that. Not lined up.
Mac,
Yeah.
get a screwdriver. Pull it. Try to line it up.
You ain't lining up in front either, still?
No, I ain't lining up the clothes.
You know what I mean? Stick it. See if you can pull it to line it up. And then stick the both in and try to tighten it that way.
Okay.
Go into the hole. Not hole there. Hole. Just right here.
Denise?
Oh, yeah, front the lock.
Yeah, front lock, Todd.
Almost there. Lift it up.
You gotta get it close. It's a way to get it close.
Huh?
It's a way to get it close. Just gotta think a minute.
Huh? You gotta think a minute in between.
I don't know. You ain't got no ring? Oh, yeah.
As long as that closed, like, yeah, because it works. Y'all gotta go.
Better than that.
Yeah, better. Yeah, but it's extra for you to pay on that. So let me, I have to check. Question is like, let me take a look. And I gotta meet Rico in a little bit, so I gotta go somewhere. That shit is about, yeah, so in a little bit I'll let you know.
Come get this Corvette I seen.
Hey,
Oh, I
can you
did when I
check
found
for
it.
me
Oh, I can tell you my hydraulics is
a
up.
minivan or something?
It's going
My
great.
price range about like
Ron,
210,000.
so can you put that one down? Like, what?
Me.
The hydraulics is gone, so they
Oh.
usually just go when I go down, yeah. Oh, don't close it. All right. Oh, yeah, yeah, tighten it. All right.
Hold on, yeah. Come back to me. shelf. What's it?
Yeah, I forgot I had this.
Did it record? Is this on what?
So let me see. I do that brown wire. So don't put that panel back on yet until we get that.
Okay. So I ain't gonna put
Them
the.
other wires. Set it up there like I'm screwing down.
Okay.
It's funny how this one thing do that. Oh, this is how that bubble. About to send through, I had to come learn. We gotta get the degree and send them back.
Alright guys, enough of the pleasantries, let's get right into it. There it is, I put the square back on the hydraulics, and I left one out a little, one of the screws out a little bit so you can see right here. They're like Allen, like an Allen wrench, but as you can see all the wires coming back in, plugging back through. So what you gotta do is they're all numbered, so make sure you can't go wrong with that. Put them back in number, and then you just gotta screw it tight. I just didn't screw it tight, but I got it in there just enough to show you guys. Right there is 4 of them. 1, 2 at the bottom. You can see a little bit of the third one, and the fourth one is right on the other side. So I gotta tighten those. All the wires are connected. That's how it should look. And you get a picture too while I'm over here. Alright guys, I'm gonna take the top down in a minute. Not through the hydraulics yet, but still manually for now. And then I'm gonna put my back seat back in. Alright guys, let me put my back seat back in.